Hi everybody, my name is Devin. I am with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and today I wanted to show you one of our premier boats. This is a lightly pre-owned 2023 Galeon 510 Sky, and let's go check out what makes this boat really special. If there is one thing that Galeon Yachts does better than anybody else, it is swim platform fitment. The fitment on the seams, the edges, and just how this hydraulic swim platform operates is second to none. This swim platform, with the press of a button, will drop down almost 4 feet down into the water, and we have this telescoping staircase that pops out as it is gradually lowered down into the water. That ensures that you will be able to safely return onto the boat or walk down into the water with ease. Another incredible thing that Galeon does is their modular design. The 510 is specifically known for this feature alone. Right here, this aft sofa is on a track system. So, open the hinge, we can just spin it around, and there are 8 different points that you can stop and lock this sofa into place. That means you get the perfect view of the sunset or the sunrise every single time. The 510 Sky might be the best weekender in its segment. Not only do you have the amenities like the hydraulic swim platform and all of the amenities that we're going to get to later, but you also have dedicated tender storage so that you don't have to tow it 100 yards behind you. Everything is put away. It looks beautiful. It's super sleek. I'm going to open up the garage right now. You will be able to hold a 11-foot dinghy in here. Davit system and all. The other thing I love is that you're not sitting here waiting several minutes for your hydraulics to raise this up or drop it right back down. Easy as that. You may be asking, what does Sky mean in the 510 Sky name? That is easy. As we move forward to the second level, also known as the bridge, you'll see that there is no fiberglass superstructure and that there is nothing covering the bridge. You can use this as a second entertainment space, living room. You obviously have a second helm up there as well, but all of these cushions collapse and a canvas roof covers it entirely. That way you can have the illusion of having a hardtop coupe for those people who do not like the fly superstructure. The designers over at Galeon did an incredible job with the design of this salon. As you can see, the head height and headroom is incredible, almost 7 feet at the minimum across this entire salon. As we enter through these beautiful glass doors, which you'll see soon are accordion completely open, we have this beautiful quick daybed couch, great place to sit and hang out if somebody else is preparing food over here on this port side aft galley. The aft galley is really well situated. We have a beautiful refrigerator integrated into the cabinetry. We have plenty of storage. We have a Samsung broiler and microwave in one, a Kenyan electric stovetop, a beautiful cutting board that actually inlays into the sink. That way it is not sliding around while the boat is moving. As we make our way forward in this salon, Galeon likes to ensure that there is minimum space that goes to waste. So under this couch, we have even more storage. We have more storage here as well as you move forward. We have another nice couch over here on this starboard side. Both of these pieces, both of these bottoms are actually modular. So you're able to pull these out. Let's say you are hanging out, it's raining at block, and you guys want to play some games inside. You can break out the card decks, move these over. Everybody's able to sit around the main table in the salon. Galeon went even as far to ensure that the helm chair, when not in use, is able to face your company. Everybody can hang out together, and of course, they do it in sequence. It's seamless. This looks like one big couch. In reality, just pivot, and now you have a dedicated helm chair for when you're operating the boat. Another thing that I absolutely love is the amount of natural light in the salon. We have these massive, beautiful windows on each side. We have this sunroof. Everything is tinted with ceramic tint to ensure that heat does not transfer. This table also will drop down with a filler cushion to go on top in case you have some overflow sleeping. Another thing that I absolutely love is that you can open this thing up. You're able to open the side glass. You're able to open the sunroof, get air flowing throughout the boat. But I also really love the seating position that you have here at the helm. You don't have to stand up to see over the bow. You have a beautiful, sleek, integrated helm with two Raymarine axioms. We have bow and stern thrusters as well, tactile switches, a Volvo Penta screen here dedicated just to your engines. We also have Seakeeper, and we have Yacht controller. So you're able to walk around the entire boat with a controller and control both engines, the bow thruster and the stern thruster, making this probably the easiest boat that I've ever had to dock. The Galeon 510 Sky is a chameleon. It does whatever you want it to do when you want it. As I said, we have opened this 510 up completely. We have this sunroof all the way open. We have a beautiful breeze flowing through here. And what also helps that is this port side electric window and the starboard side electric window, creating a beautiful cross breeze. And as we make our way aft, we're able to see that we have both of our glass walls also down. On this starboard side, we have our glass wall completely open with an outward-facing modular couch that was facing interior. Now you can position the boat at anchor to look at the beautiful landscape, the beautiful sunrise, or the sunset. With the terraces completely out, you now have a beam of 20 feet. On the port side, we have a beautiful modular bar. We have a countertop that flips up and out. We have two bar stools facing interior, and they smartly place this right inside the galley. That way you can serve, you can hang out while being inside and out. Now, what I'm sure you've all been waiting for is to check out the overnight accommodations on this 510 Sky. But before we head down below, I just wanted to point out Galeon's signature windshield. It's one full piece, no crossbars. That way you have the perfect amount of visibility no matter what conditions you're in. Now, let's go check out all of the overnight accommodations and amenities. We have our first stateroom here. On the starboard side of the boat, we have a twin bunk room. Two generous sized bunks, and you'd be very surprised with the amount of storage that this bunk room has to offer. You have three overhead storage containers and one very generously sized closet. Next, let's check out the day head, or the common head. On the port side, we have a generously sized, spaced head with a separate shower stall, so it's not a wet head. The day head or common head is directly attached to the VIP guest room. We have a beautiful V-berth stateroom here with beautiful cabinetry, great skylights, even better lighting. Every room has its own dedicated reverse cycle AC pump, which means you're both going to get heat and air conditioning at your exact temperature. The amount of storage space that is in this VIP guest room is what you'll see on the master stateroom on many other boats this size. You have two dedicated closets as well as a ton of different cabinets and drawers. As you make your way across the P-way, you'll see that we are now going into the master cabin. As you enter, on your right-hand side, you will have the master head, a spacious head with a separate stall for showering, keeping the rest of your head completely dry. As you make your way back into the midship full beam master stateroom, you see that we have beautiful lighting on each side. We have windows right over the water line, giving you some of the best views on the boat. We have a spacious queen-size bed. On the port side, we have a vanity. That vanity does fold away to turn into a nice workstation or home office. Every single space that is not used is storage. Everything goes to use on a Galeon. We have this beautiful bureau built in here with plenty of storage all throughout. We have this beautiful accent wall behind as well to set the mood. We have a Samsung TV here, and underneath that we have an all-in-one washer and dryer unit as well, making longer trips a breeze. As we make our way up to the bow, you'll notice that the terraces are now in the up position, and when they're in the up position, they're about hip height, giving you that safe, secure feeling. As we move up and you reach this gunnel, the gunnel is extremely wide. You have this nice high rail to your left, and you have a nice handrail up around eye level as well, making sure that when you're moving up to the bow, you are safe and have something to hold on to. Up on the bow, we also have this bow seating with a table as well, making it a third place to relax, hang out, and entertain your friends and family. Thank you for going through the Galeon 510 Sky with me today. My name is Devin with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and we look forward to seeing you out on the water.